Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of Gmail. We click on settings, like this. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Gmail app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.